Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Mercedes-Benz engine start-stop button in a few simple steps. So if you bought a Mercedes-Benz and it doesn't have a start-stop engine button, or it is worn and scratched, then you can see here a video tutorial on how to install a new one. So here is the start-stop button. It is similar with the end of the car key. So let's try the key. So let's install the new start stop engine button. Now press on the brake pedal, then press on the button, and the engine will start. Then you can stop the engine. This button, it will work only on Mercedes-Benz from 2010 and up, and only for that with keyless go option. If you are not sure that your Mercedes-Benz has keyless go, you can check calling your Mercedes-Benz dealership using your vehicle identification number. To remove it, you just have to take it out from that slot. The start-stop button will not activate keyless go on a vehicle that does not have the keyless go feature. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, or send me a super thanks.